Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. In this video, we will look at Roman mosaics. Mosaics are made from hundreds of tiny stones arranged into a pattern or picture. They were a common feature of Roman buildings across the empire. Mosaics were featured in wealthy Roman villas, usually on the floor, but sometimes on the walls. They were also found in public buildings, like bathhouses. Early mosaics were made using black and white stones. Later, a variety of different stones were used to show different colours, like limestone for grey, sandstone for yellow, and marble for green and blue. Some mosaics showed intricate geometric patterns, and some mosaics show images of people, animals, and even Roman gods. This mosaic was found in a bathhouse and shows Neptune, god of the sea. Archaeologists have found a number of mosaics in Britain. Mosaics are beautiful works of art, but also show us a glimpse of what life was like in Britain at this time. Mosaics provide us with evidence of everyday items from this period, such as clothes, food, tools, and even animals and plants. For your hands-on activity, create and design your own mosaic. You can cut out coloured paper to make your design, or experiment with different coloured stones in clay. You could even try using shells. For more information about this activity and more activities related to the Romans, please go to handsoneducation.com, Romans in Britain. I hope you enjoy creating your own mosaic. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.